Howdy folks, and welcome to another bamboo update. This is just a quickie. We had a lot of rain the past couple days and everything is very soft. Crayfish are happy, but let's keep this short. So here we go, look at them, they're getting pretty big. Sprouting away. These look pretty new-ish. I don't see anything coming from the ground. Lots of water. So I expect a lot of progress from now on. Until we get another drought, but maybe not. But they're growing up. So having the salad buffet here. That's weird. Look at this damage. I don't know what that's about, unless it's rubbing up against here. Could be. But you know what's weird is that what I've read is that the bamboo is supposed to be real nutritious. That if you had clippings or fallen leaves, to donate them to farms and stuff, because goats and horses and the cows, they really love it. But here, even our deer, our street deer, won't even eat it. Let's look over here. I guess we'll go over here first. So the split, we're doing okay, I guess. Look pretty green. They'll look greener on screen than real life. They're kind of on the yellowish tinge. Okay, so this is the same species. Doing okay. So here's the black, the tropical black. I trimmed it down, cut out all the dead stuff, and left these little green niblets left. See how that goes. And here's more Narihira. And this one is dead. They say you can't kill bamboo. Well, we did it here in Texas. There's nothing coming up. And stuff that had a little green, it died. So I guess we'll have to dig you out and put something else in there. Here's the other third. Looking a little anemic. Okay. Same here. This one actually flooded with all the rain. I had to dump it out, but it seemed okay. A little bamboo or bananas coming back. Magnolias, trying to get some blooms. The seagulls coming back. Onions are onioning. The bonsai is okay. So here, this is already taller than the piece I cut. Nothing new that I can see. Okay. Nothing too spectacular. This was growing up kind of different. And I could hear these. Little branches. Sprouting off of this one here. But nothing spectacular. And looks like all our oleanders are coming back. And the sale looking good. Here's our other seagulls. Looking good. Oh, they're nice and soft. They're gonna get hard and prickly soon. Okay, I haven't really shown this one off any. Not much to see. This one, you know, I had a lot of high hopes, and for it to get really big, like the one in the back, the giant one that you can barely see there. But the damn landscapers keep on chopping down like a lot of the new shoots that were coming out on the perimeter. And of course everything died, and I guess I told them to go ahead and cut. See how big this one got. But still, it didn't really grow that tall. And this is the one, you know, I was just talking about the deer, but the deer didn't eat or chew on these, but the young bucks, they definitely were scrubbing their horns on one of them. Never killed it, killed the stock, but it did a lot of damage. But that's as far as those guys bothered with this bamboo. I don't know if this is an oak tree or poison oak. But I brought my clippers, so I'm gonna get in here and kind of try to trim some of this up. All right. Okay. So I trimmed up some of this garbage. I don't think it's gonna help any, but as a matter of fact, I'll probably dry it out more. I think we're getting more rain soon, and give it some incentive to leaf out. And but if you look here, unless it's a caterpillar, whatever the deer are eating, then look at that damage. So who knows? And we are the home for birds. So here I got some Cardinals. Guess there's about 3 chicks in there. So animals like our house. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching.